roulettes to flying around in the same airspace. Makes it very interesting. The Leaders Benefit Fly Pass is a tribute to our very first roulette leader, squadron leader Phil Dunn, who first led the team in 1971, making the Roulettes one of the oldest flying display teams in the world.
But they need a lot more time and distance.
We've now changed into the six-pack formation as they set up for the six-pack to twin loop.
So let's take us inside the cockpit of roulette number 1. Besides flying the formation, he's also calling out the formation, isn't he?
Exactly, so all the pilots, they know the show back to front, inside out, but he gives them all the timing cues and formation position changes. So during the whole display, he's the only pilot who's actually talking, and they base everything off what Roulette 1 says. And watch at the top of the loop, ladies and gentlemen, as they go from the six-pack to twin Vic for another 4G fly pass.
Oh, that's scary, yeah.
They do, it's not something we just jump into, it's a 4 to 5 month workout.